Hey, what's up? My name is Tifa. Yo, what's up? I'm Riku. I'm like gay for Sora or something. Oh. I really like Cloud, but I don't think he likes me. I think he might be gay for someone too, but I'm not sure.
Zach.
Zach. Okay. Okay. Outside voices. You wanna like
put it on
something? Let me see the time. I don't have a watch. I'm gonna go to Sora now. Hi, Sora. Yo, what's up, dude? When did you get so big? I don't know. Can I hear you now? Okay. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, I'm so lovely. Hey, who are you? You wanna do it? Okay. Alright. That has to go on YouTube. If I don't see it, I think I might kill someone. Before you do this. It's like, what the heck? It's so small. Damn it.
Oh my god. Jerry has to be Edward and we're there.
Jerry, you just have a stand next time? Yeah. Jerry, it's like so